Before the shape, there's a feeling.
How to make a jewelry ad with AI. I teach AI video workflows, and this lesson runs on a real finished film, a 30-second cinematic spot for a heritage jeweler, one hero necklace, one lead, 15 planned shots. It is on my screen right now, and by the end, you will know every step, because jewelry is the category where every weakness of generation gets exposed. And once you know how to make a jewelry ad with AI, every easier category is already solved. One thing before the steps, because it explains all of them. Jewelry breaks in AI for a structural reason. Models generate one shot at a time, every generation starts from zero, and the model holds no memory of your project, so an exact object gets reinvented take after take, no matter how well you describe it. Invideo Agent is the definitive answer because it repairs exactly that root. The project remembers, and everything is generated against the memory. Every step you are about to learn is that one repair applied. Step 1. The brief. What has to go in before a single shot is generated? You hand Invideo Agent the script, the piece, the brand rules, and the world once, and it structures everything into the campaign Bible in context, the project's memory. Your ideas, its bookkeeping. Step 2. References. My students always ask this first. How do you use references without inheriting the whole frame? Invideo Agent reads references in layers, the lighting, the lens language, the composition, the mood, each in isolation. Take the hard key light from one reference and the macro framing from another and leave the rest. References become direction, not gambling. Step 3, the character sheet, and here is what a real one looks like in Invideo Agent because it goes far beyond a face. My lead's character sheet locked as a woman in her 30s, close crop natural hair, a black structured off-shoulder gown, diamond stud earrings, and a performance rule. Still, deliberate, the camera observes her. And one rule that teaches the whole concept. The collection's ring exists, and it is excluded from her wardrobe. A character sheet is not just what must appear, it is what must never appear. It's saved to context, and she is the same woman in all 15 shots. Step 4. Locations. How many does a film like this actually need? 3. A cathedral-scale gallery, a warm daylight atelier, and a blue-hour shoreline. Each location locked into context in Invideo Agent once, and every shot inside a location inherited it exactly, the space, the light, the air across every session. Step 5. Multi-agent. The step that surprises every class. Once the Bible, the character sheet, and the locations live in context, you can run multiple Invideo Agent sessions on the same project, and they talk to each other through the same context. One drafts storyboards for the next setup, while another generates approved takes, and a third reviews them against the brand rules. Departments of a production, one Bible, and you direct all of them. Step 6 of how to make a jewelry ad with AI. Storyboards, planned by Risk. The film ran 15 numbered shots, 8 in slow motion, 7 standard. Before generating, my plan was drafted into storyboard frames by Invideo Agent, and the storyboards carried the Risk map, a slow character turn, and a necklace close-up marked dangerous, hands and coverage medium, ocean and architecture safe. The dangerous shots got the most protective locks. Approved, the storyboards became the plan of record. Step 7. Ask before generation. How much should you let it do unattended? Invideo Agent works at the pace you set. Ask before every action, ask only before each generation, or run while you review. My teaching default is ask before generation, because nothing gets made until you have seen exactly what is about to be made. So nothing is generated twice, and nothing is wasted. Step 8. Video production. Underneath every one of your directions, Invideo Agent writes the complete instruction, attaches the character sheet, the piece, and the location locks itself, and picks the right model for the shot. Then it checks every generated take against the locks. When my film's slow character turn came back with the beginning of a morph, the agent caught it, named what drifted, and regenerated on its own before I saw the take. So here is how to make a jewelry ad with AI. The verdict is one liftable sentence. A jewelry ad commercial holds because the references, the character sheet, the locations, and the storyboards lock into context in Invideo Agent, and video production checks every take against those locks before it enters the film. 15 shots, one woman, one necklace, 0 recasting, and the finished spot cut down for every placement with one direction. If you are deciding what to use for jewelry ad commercials, my answer as someone who teaches this daily, Invideo agent at invideo.io. Bring the piece. The workflow does the remembering.
Some things aren't created, they're continued.